Welcome to the latest in the Light Aircraft Company videos. Today we will be dealing with aircraft cleaning and demonstrating Leading Edge. Leading Edge Light Aircraft Cleaner is a new generation polymeric based detergent. It is fast acting and provides outstanding penetration, soil suspension and resistance to redeposition on protein based soiling, as well as oils and greases and airborne pollution. Leading Edge is fast and easy to use. Leading Edge is safe on aluminium surfaces and painted surfaces as long as they are sound and intact in condition. Painted surfaces which are blown due to underlying surface corrosion should be rectified and refinished. Leading Edge will not repair such damage. Leading Edge comes in a pack of 750 millilitres with a controllable spray nozzle and two industrial open weave surface cleaning microfibre cloths. The nature of these cloths is to assist with the removal of the soiling from the surface and hold the soiling within the cloth ready for rinsing and reuse. Do not under any circumstances use this cloth for cleaning aircraft screens or any other aircraft transparencies. Any retained soiling within that cloth could, under certain circumstances, cause surface damage. Regular rotation of the cloths to provide a clean surface is sensible, and these cloths should be laundered at the end of each cleaning session. Please do not launder these cloths with any form of fabric conditioner in the final rinse, as it inhibits the effectiveness of the cloth significantly. Leading Edge is best applied to a cold, dry surface. However, if the surface is hot, move the aircraft in the shade if possible, or cool down with cold water. Apply Leading Edge to the surface and allow 30 seconds to 2 minutes standing time for the surface active agents and detergents to penetrate and break down the soiling. A simple light application of Leading Edge followed by clean down with microfibre cloths remove even the most stubborn soiling with ease. As the name suggests, Leading Edge was originally formulated for the cleaning of the leading edges of high-performance aircraft and glider wings. However, it is now finding favour with the general aviation community and microlight pilots as well. Its ease of use and rapid results make it very quick and easy to use, as well as being aircraft and user friendly. Leading Edge is not limited to leading edges. It can be used on aircraft, engine cowlings, spats, empennage surfaces, and the underside of aircraft where environmental soiling can be found at its worst. I think it would be fair to say that most aviators are familiar with an aerosol product called Plexus. CavOk is a similar, more environmentally friendly, non-aerosol version of that product, formulated to clean, protect and minimise micro-scratching on aircraft windscreens, side windows and transparencies. Firstly, some quick do's and don'ts. CavOk has not been formulated to remove heavy soiling contamination, especially dry dust from aircraft screens. If you have that sort of contamination, the first thing that should be done is a screen should be washed with a ready supply of clean water and use your bare hand. Your hand will very quickly tell you where the contamination is, and it is unlikely to scratch the surface. CavOk comes supplied in a 500ml trigger spray with switchable nozzle and two close weave microfibre cloths specifically designed for the cleaning of transparencies. Do not use these for any other purpose. And when soiled, they can be laundered in the normal fashion, but do not use any fabric conditioner in the final rinse process of the wash. Using fabric conditioner eliminates a lot of the benefits that the cloth brings. Once the screen has dried, or if the contamination is airborne based such as fly soiling, simply apply CavOk to the surface and using a closed texture microfibre cloth specifically designed for cleaning transparencies, using vertical strokes top to bottom clean the screen. Do not use a circular motion. Rotate the cloth regularly to avoid rubbing contamination into the surface, and a final buff then completes the cleaning process. CavOk can be used on both internal and external surfaces of the aircraft screens and transparencies. Regular and repeated use of CavOk ensures that the raw materials within the product provide a micro-thin protective layer that assists with future cleaning and maintenance of the surface. CavOk and Leading Edge can be found directly from the Light Aircraft Company, Cooley's Pilot Supply, and also Flylight based at Sywell. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and circulate to anybody that you feel would gain benefit from this product.